Ow! Oh, what was it?
Mugs.
You need to tie that in a bit better.
Oh, he's not.
No, right. So what you've done is you've put the length straight down the back. You have to weave it through.
Really?
Yeah.
Holy shit! I didn't.
It's a prick to do, but it holds it more solid, so it doesn't flap about too much. I've learned that ages ago. So these, if you have a look at these, it weaves in and out like that.
Oh yeah.
So it's got
to make sense. Yeah.
Yeah. Minesweeper. Oh yeah.
Yeah. Same one, probably.
Ah, boy and a girl. Tactical doggo. Welcome to the dark side. We have cookies.
I have a pistol.
Is that it?
So, yeah. I'm going to be great help.
I know what table that's come from as well.
I guess not working anymore. Keep into that.
Sign of a good day. No, that was disconnected.
No, I can feel the motor train. You know when battery's there.
Oi, dude. Stick your iPro back on.
Ready, guys? On my call! 3, 2, 1, game on! Come on, guys, run! Get in there first, let's have it!
Peekaboo.
Hiya. Gotcha.
There's somebody over there, isn't
Yeah, there's a couple of guys in there.
Oh, hit! Motherfuckers, hit! Oh!
Hey! I'll get to you, but I can't.
How much was this here for a minute?
Ah, hit!
I think you're dead.
Oh, hang on, I'm dead. I'm so glad that only got me the once. Ah, hit. Right, so I've got a bit of a fucking problem. Guess where all these BBs are. So every single BB that was in this are now in there. Nice big equipment malfunction. And it did that.
Oh, fuck.
In the pouch.
Oh, shit.
So, oh well.
Slow and steady fill it back up, is it?
Yeah.
No.
Bollocks. Da, 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 da. Something to tell the wenches later. Did you have fun? Yeah. Did you get hurt? No. I've got technical issues. I've got an excuse. These guys are fucking lazy.
You got fucked by my teammate. I got an excuse.
No, I've got a better excuse than that.
Yeah, well, fuck you.
My high cap has shit all the BBs out into my pouch.
Bro, mine didn't shoot when they came in.
Go lads in! Come on lads, back into it! Fucking push him!
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Fucking shit, mag!
Come on, boys, push! Keep fire on him! I think he's dead. Yeah, good, yeah, shake dog. He's dead. He's dead behind there.
Oh, I'll never see that mag again.
Down near the road. Behind the tree down near the road.
That helps. It's all tree and one road.
Wait, it's right next to the road. Sniper, be careful.
Yeah, tree, hidden person.
Yep.
Road. Loads of trees. One person.
Just use the tree, man, and pick.
Back it!
Tree.
What tree? I don't know. You just said blue suit at a tree. Ah! Ow! Fucking fucker. Well, I'm completely out of ammo.